Hi, so this is my Golf MK2. It's 1.6 with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's from 1987 and I've owned the car for 7 years now. But the last 3 of those years, the car has been standing without an engine. And that is because I bought the GTI engine. I had high hopes installing it, but I found that it had major issues. So I took the decision to use my original engine as a spare engine for the GTI. But I live in Norway, so there are a set of rules and regulations and forms to fill out, so while the paperwork does the thing up the system, I bought another engine, an original 1.6, and I have rebuilt that engine. So in this episode, I'm installing it to my beat up Golf MK2.
Let's get it inside. I think we are there.
The wiring is a bit of a mess, but it's all there, so we'll figure it out. I will need to swap the rear engine mount, but it's okay for now. The front one is totally shot, but I have a used one laying around, so I will swap that out.
Boom, much better. There. Yeah, we are clear. Completely forgot this part, so we'll install it now. I will place this now. This is the exhaust gasket. And it goes there. Up on the... Yeah, it seats down here. Oof. Oh, the inlet manifold is sitting here. Pair up with the transmission. This looks like better. Oh! That was way faster than I had expected, but okay.
Yeah, so the wiring went okay. I actually got it right the first time, but it ain't that many connectors, so it's just some trial and error, I guess. It's the same story with the vacuum lines. They're pretty straightforward, and there are great diagrams online to look up, so I did that. So I swapped out the fuel filter. I had bought a way too small one, so I ended up changing it again, but anything's better than the old clogged one. So.
It's okay for testing, I guess. Yeah. I also put in, this is a one-way valve, so it only lets the water or cold go one way. And I don't know which way the water is supposed to flow, so I'll have to check that. I don't think there's any much. Okay. I'll get the battery now, I think. Okay. I do believe we are there now, so I can put in the battery and see how things goes. Yeah, I will remove the lead to the distributor and also the wire for the shouldn't get any spark, so it shouldn't start. I want to crank the engine to get some oil around there before it hopefully fires up, so I will do that now. I think I don't think that I've missed anything, so you do feel alive though. Probably I'm like really nervous. Okay, I will connect the lead now. I just remembered I didn't put on the exhaust, but that's okay. Okay, so the car did sort of start when I used starter fluid, which is great. I can also see it's starting to come some petrol. It doesn't show on camera, but it's starting to fill up. So I'll now put the exhaust on, because I hadn't put that on, and you could tell my girlfriend was a bit shocked, so I'll put that on now.
Here you can see me using some compressed air in the return fuel line to hopefully push some fuel forward.
It started. I don't know how to react, but it did start. Oh. Damn! It started. Oh, it's so worth it. Just at this moment, this exact moment, it's so worth it. Everything. Oh my god. Yes! Man, I'm excited. I don't know what to say even. I'm in a real hurry, so I can't continue this now. I'll have to pick it up tomorrow, but man, that feels good. So much weight off your shoulders, and yeah. There's probably gonna be some errors along the way, but it did start. It didn't sound like some bent drops. It did make a lot of noise, but that is normal after a swap. Done as much as I've done, so yeah. I'll hook up the coolant system tomorrow, and then we can hopefully get it to idle. So I know that this is wrong. Yes, that was easy.
So I had a lot of coolant hoses from this engine and the previous one, so there was a lot of mix and matching, but I got it right eventually. So this is where we're at. It's not looking good in any way, so I will buy new coolant hoses once I get the car roadworthy, or I just want to start it and yeah, check that everything is working now. So I don't mind that it doesn't look neat. Yeah.
Do you believe we have that? Let's see if you get it idle. And also my heater fan. This thing is, it's not seized, but almost. This is like, I managed to free it up, so you see now, whole thing is spinning. So I'll try to reassemble it just to see if it works. So this is what I ended up doing. This is big enough so I can slide it on. many tools have I lost down here or forgotten?
If you listen now, the terrible engine noise is gone, so happy days.